that's gonna be cutting it close. You might have to spit on it a little bit.
Well, and maybe not all the way back.
Wow.
Just saying. I'm gonna be able to fit in there.
I'm sure you could if
Holy
you tried
shit.
that throw. You just gotta give it a little shove.
Yep, just a little shove.
So, when you're in first person,
Oh, I don't care.
map, M for map,
It's a battle
hold
story.
left control, zoom in by a scroll wheel up.
Remember that?
Hi, I'm Galdrick. How was that?
No, you
No,
gotta
you're
have a
Goldrick
little
too.
bit higher pitch. Yeah, it's gotta be, hi, I'm Goldrick, and then you put your arms out like you're
Oh,
gonna give him a
yes.
big hug.
One second,
No,
how's
hi,
this?
I'm Goldrick
Hi,
2.
I'm Goldrick.
How's this?
2.
Wait, oh, hang on one second.
Hi, I'm Goldrick.
Was that,
Pretty
Oh
close.
my god, that was so close. That was
that-
that was really good.
was that good?
Actually, terrifyingly good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, little guy. Did you and your friends have fun?
Oh my god, that might...
And then we all run back home, do 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 do, run back home, run back home, run back home, run back home. And finally, we're safe at last. Do 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 do.
Thank you, Barry. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Or was it just as good as the first time?
Better. Even better.
Good. Very good indeed.
We should head back. I hope to see you at the blood pit again.
Freddy's team will be with you. They're basically our spec ops fucking cliff climbers. They're going to climb up, knock people unconscious when they're on the mortars. They're going to rope tie them, handcuff them, and then grapple them and fly them back to that ship, and you're going to imprison them and keep them fed. And, you know,
so
all that.
excited. I'm so so excited, Commander. Very excited.
Hi, you seem a little more alive. That's
Oh.
good.
Flesh is flesh, crew.
Flesh.
Skin is skin.
For the blood glide.
Skin is skin.
Blood is blood.
Blood is blood.
Hang on, blood is blood.
Very good. Very good. Because country accent means something very different in the US than it does in the UK. In the US, it's like, and in the UK, it's like. Skin cannon, skin cannon.